ChatGPT, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It is designed to generate human-like text responses based on the input it receives. This powerful AI model has been trained on a vast amount of text data from the internet, allowing it to understand and generate text that is coherent and contextually relevant. ChatGPT's main purpose is to assist users in various tasks that involve natural language processing. It can be used for a wide range of applications, including drafting emails, generating code, answering questions, creating conversational agents, and much more. With its ability to understand and respond to human-like text, ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way we interact with AI systems. One of the remarkable features of ChatGPT is its ability to carry on conversations. It can maintain context and engage in back-and-forth exchanges with users, making the interaction feel more like a conversation with a human. This makes it an invaluable tool for chatbots, virtual assistants, and customer support systems. Although ChatGPT is a remarkable achievement in the field of natural language processing, it is not without limitations. Sometimes, it might generate responses that are factually inaccurate or lack common sense. Additionally, it may have a tendency to be overly verbose or repetitive. OpenAI is continuously working to improve the model and address these limitations through ongoing research and development. Overall, ChatGPT is a groundbreaking AI model that has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate with machines. Its ability to generate human-like text and engage in conversational exchanges opens up exciting possibilities for a wide range of applications, making it a valuable tool in the field of natural language processing.